Hello guys, good day. This is Patrick Rosales of Rosales Turnkey. So right now we are here at Shore Residences and meron ako ditong isang client who wants to renovate her unit and she's actually based from the US. Ngayon, itong client na to is na-refer sa akin na isa sa mga co-brokers ko before sa SMDC and it's an old unit na kasi, like it's really due for renovation. So this is what it really looks like right now. So kung makikita nyo, medyo, wala talaga siyang gamit. You can see the signs of wear and tear. And, actually, inanay ko siya before. So, tawa na lang din kami sa owner kasi gusto namin kumita yung property niya. So, we suggested na we renovated it para maging viable siya for Airbnb. Since yung location dito sa MOA is really good for this rental investment, mga daily rentals. So, tara guys, samahan niyo ako as we turn out this project into a money-making machine. So guys, we are here right now at the unit again and I'm really excited to show you guys kung ano yung kinalabasan ng unit. So tara, tingnan natin kung ano yung itsura ng finished project. Now this is what the unit looks like right now. Sobrang nabuhay yung unit. There's so much light, so much neutral colors, and sobrang spacious na niya ngayon tingnan. It's very different from what it used to be. Now, pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga ginawa dito sa unit na to. So, one of the things that we did is, kung napapansin nyo before, walang nakalagay dito. And this is actually the new kitchen area. It is made of UV high gloss materials. All of these are customized. And naka-quartz tayo dito. Then naka-digital cooktop na rin with range hood. So, ayan, ganito na yung itsura yung kitchen niya, guys. We opted for white para maaliwalas agad pagpasok mo pa lang sa unit. Kitang-kita mo agad yung difference. Then, nandito yung refrigerator. Now, for this one, dito na lang namin nilagay yung wardrobe area para hindi siya masyado masikip. And we opted for mirror doors para it creates an illusion din na mas lumaki pa yung unit. Ngayon, for the bathroom naman, medyo minimal lang yung ginawa natin. So, before kasi walang gamit dito, nilagyan lang natin dito ng overhead restroom cabinet for Airbnb and of course dito sa area na to isang lalagyan ng ng towels para kita agad and a full wide vanity mirror with LED light para at least lumiwanag naman kasi before sobrang dilim niya. So imagine ganito yung itsura niya kapag wala siyang LED light. And ganyan siya kadilim. So kaya naglagay kami dito ng additional lights. Now moving on to the living room. So dito, on the right side, we put a multi-purpose drawer here with trellis. And since nandito yung original wirings before ng unit, dito na lang namin nilagay yung switch for the fan light. So, yan. Dito siya nakakonect and here is the remote. So, it actually serves as a partition na din between the living room and the kitchen, which is actually quite nice. And for the kitchen, for the dining room, this one is the old one na gamit na siya ni owner before and bumagay naman siya sa design. Now, for the walls, we went for asbestos design or lime wash. Now, for this one, sa sofa area natin, we put a new sofa over here to match the colors. And we put some mirrors again para lumuwag yung space niya. Now, meron tayong mga artificial plants dito to liven up the space. And this is the bedroom. For the beds, we decided to opt for two beds style, which is more of it of a hotel style kasi mas preferred ng mga tao yung dalawang bed para at least mas maraming makakatulog first of all and mas maliwanas and malinis din kasi siya tingnan. Ngayon, pinalitan natin lahat ng lights. There's also the switches. So it's a tricolor switch. And these are two queen size bed by the way. So, yan, kasya dalawa dito, kasya dalawa dito. Then a sofa bed pa. So total of 5 packs, pwede matulog na maayos. And we opted for a TV console naman over here. Para at least dito, kitang-kita nila habang nakahiga sila, they can watch movies, na-enjoy ng mga guests yung stay nila. And dinagdagan din natin to ng bagong customized S-fold curtains. Zen theme inspired if you're familiar, na more on neutral tones, more on earth colors and white tones. So it blends with the space lang, and ang laki ng iniliwalas niya, guys. Ngayon, it's ready na for Airbnb, ready na for rental, and hopefully marami maging booking si client. If you want to transform your unit for comfort or living or into an Airbnb ready like this one, don't hesitate to message us directly. Again, this is Pat of Rosales Turnkey. See you again.